How to redeem Best Buy gift card online. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video, we will see how we can redeem Best Buy gift card online. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, visit the Best Buy website. For that, go to bestbuy.com through your preferred browser. Now, once you enter the Best Buy website, you have to browse the site and add the items that you want to purchase to your shopping cart. Now, once you have added your product or items to your cart, now proceed to checkout. For that, click on the shopping cart at the top right corner. Now, you can view the summary of your order. Then, click on Checkout button to begin the checkout process. If you don't have an account yet, you can proceed as a guest, so click on Continue as Guest. Then scroll down a bit. Now you have to enter all your information. So first of all, enter your email address and under that enter your phone number. Now, once you click on Continue to Payment Information and under the payment method piece, you will find an option that says gift card or apply gift card. There you have to enter your gift card pin, which will be available at the back of your card or in the email if it is an e-gift card. Then you can enter multiple gift card number if you have more than one. Enter your correct gift card number. Now confirm the balance. The value of gift card will be applied to your order. If the gift card balance is sufficient to cover the total cost, the payment will be processed. If not, you will have to add another payment method to cover your total cost. And once the gift card has been applied, finalize your purchase by following the prompts, and after completing your order, you will receive a confirmation email with the detail of your purchase. And that's how you can redeem Best Buy gift card online. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.